Right now we're plugged into the shore power. So basically you turn on the AC main to get your shore power coming in. On the outlets, port and starboard, I'll show you where those are located. On the port side, we have one back here behind the fire extinguisher. And yeah, that's all that's in there. And we have one over here on the starboard side in the galley. This one has a GFI switch. And then you have another one in the galley here. You have one behind the television back there that powers the television. You also have one on the starboard side in the V-berth. And then you have one that is in the head. And we always keep these closed just in case there's any condensation in the head. And then we also have another one up here and another one back in there. So that covers all the 110 outlets.